Did you know Cornelia Sorabji was the first woman to study law at the prestigious Oxford University, as no Indian woman has ever gone to study in England? She was the first female advocate in India, and she was also the first woman to practice law even in Britain. She received first-class degree from Bombay University in 1888 and was the first female graduate from Bombay University. Cornelia Sorabji was born on November 15, 1866 in Bombay. She was the fifth daughter amongst 9 children and died on July 6, 1954 in London, England. She graduated from Decca College in Pune in 1886, studied at Somerville College in Oxford, England. She worked on behalf of poor nations, women who could not communicate with the outside male world.